I get asked a lot how to pick the right size furoshiki. In fact, there is a standard formula the Japanese uses. You'll want the diagonal length of the cloth to be 3 times the longest length of the object you plan to wrap. Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and I'm the founder of Sutai and welcome to my creative show. So let's use wrapping a jar or jam as an example. Depending on the kind of jar, which as you know you can find all sorts of shapes these days, you'll want to find the length of the longest side of the object. For this example, it will be the height of the jar. Place the jar right in the center of the wrong side of the cloth, diagonally at an angle. So here you see the diagonal length of the 17-inch cloth is approximately 3 times the height of the jar. Well, slightly more. And usually a little more room to wrap with is better than not enough. Sign up our newsletter to get 10% off and free shipping on your first order. You'll also receive our future exclusive offers and giveaways, monthly creative boosters, and much more. Simply sign up by scanning this QR code with your phone or tablet camera. A link will then pop up on your screen for the sign up. There you have it, a basic sizing reference to pick the right size furoshiki. Keep in mind, furoshiki embraces a fluid creative process, so there are no set rules that you must follow. Every wrapping style's sizing requirement varies a little bit. You can pick up a few furoshiki wrapping techniques such as this one, where you design your own furoshiki to wrap this style from this video I've put together. I'll also leave a link in the description below. To save you time, you can also find our furoshiki sizing reference calculator on our website. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button to show me your support, or leave me a comment below if you have any questions or comments. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell next to it, so you won't miss out when I have a new video uploaded. You can also follow us on most of your favorite social platforms for the latest updates, inspirations, and much more. If you own any of our products, we would love to see how you use it. So go ahead and tag us to show off your new home decor, creative styling with our furoshiki and zero waste accessories. I can't wait to see them. Hope you have learned something new today, and I'll let you get back to being creative.